right, I'm the flat rate master, and let's put a little light on the situation. All right, so we're talking about Milwaukee's new, well, paddle light, whatever you want to call it. Turn it off, so I'm just got blinding. Now this is a, new light from Milwaukee. It comes with this base, which is magnetically charging the tool, as well as it's magnetic as well, so you can hang it inside your toolbox. Pretty cool. It is also, by the way, USB-C equipped. No micro, no mini, USB-C, so yay. Now you also have a slot for an extra battery if you get the model with 2 batteries. This is the battery that it comes equipped with. It locks in like that, so it won't fall out, anything like that. You don't have to worry about, M12 problems. The tool itself can also be USB-C charged, so any charging cable that's USB-C will charge this. Really nice light. It comes with front light, a rear light, and a top light. One of the things I really like about this light is it remembers what panel you had it set on. So if you'll say you have it sitting there positioned perfectly to illuminate what you need, but you're going to lunch, you got to jump off, do that waiter oil change or whatever, and you turn the light off, you go back to it, it's still lit up. We'll do that again with the rear light. So I said it's the rear light, turns back on, the rear light. That is awesome. One of the problems with like this Astro light is, you got to do the click through. Oh, I don't want that light on. I want that light on. I don't want that light on. I want that light on. Or you blind yourself and do all of them and hit the wrong button. I also don't like the fact that, wow, not to dog on Astro, but wow, that's loose now. I guess I can tighten that up. There's a screw there, so I'll tighten that up. But that's one of my problems with this light is not the wobble, but, invariably I put it down, I blind myself because I hit the wrong button, or I double click, and I got that shining into my face. So that's one of my favorite features about this light. Now it's got a powerful magnet that's, pretty durable. And if you notice, it doesn't have the spin. One of my problems with the Astro lights is it has the spin. We reposition that to give it fair. But you hit it, it does the spin. Reposition this one so it's fair. It's a more powerful magnet. I'm almost knocking it off instead of it twisting, because that's one of my problems with all of the Astro lights is you put it somewhere, won't give it a fair shot, and you knock it around. Didn't mean to do that, but you knock it and it changes directions like that. That is annoying because it always faces your face. So they definitely went with a strong enough magnet on this. It's definitely stronger than the Astro. I keep hitting the lip on here, that's why it's not sticking. But it's definitely a very strong magnet. I mean, that was a pretty big swipe. I have to put this pretty freaking hard to get it to break loose. So really strong magnets. They've got 4 of them in the base. So it's really a strong magnet. Trust me, I've already used it. Now, obviously, you've got an articulating head, so you can use it like this. You can use it like this. You can even use it like this. Now, my favorite position is like this, because it's most compact, most likely to not get hit. I think it's a really cool, really useful light. And I love the fact that, one, it uses a magnetic charger, because I really like that, because I you got to plug stuff in, it sucks. Or if you got to make sure, like the stream lights, where you got to make sure it's positioned perfectly so it's charged in the morning, this, slap it in there, it charges. By the way, you also have hooks to, you know, if you're hanging it on a pegboard or something weird like that. I think a really good light for our industry. I think this was a great design. Hinge, as best I can tell, is pretty durable. I think I've only dropped it once and it didn't do anything, so can't report anything worse than that. Obviously, the magnet holding the tool is pretty strong because it's up there and it's not falling, so both the magnets are pretty damn hard. So, unless you, I mean, yeah, pretty strong magnet. So you can mount it anywhere you want. That's actually, you know, steel. Obviously, if you want to mount it anywhere else, you're going to have to use the screws. So cool design. So I'll continue to put it through its paces, see how it does, see how much I like it, or if I continue to use it, or I kind of put it on the wall of lights that I never touch. Astro. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.